Number one on the list, so that you get out of the way, emergency door. Should you want to go outside, if you matter, outside there we have 2 exit doors on your, when you're looking at me, at the back of me, Kamrao Haka, we have doors. You can go there, wari left, that side, wari right, you go down. And another safety one, stairs. Please use handrails. Just in case, if we take, just in case, use those handrails. Oskawa, cause how kawa no something bari suwe, bosamari like safety. Number 3, we have our bathrooms that side. We have our bathrooms right there at the back, next to that pull-up banner there. We have our bathroom that side. So if you need to go, relieve yourself, turn right here, and then left. That's where you're going to be. And then, for those of you who will be cooking and eating with fork and knives, should you cut yourself, by mistake of course, we have trained first aiders here. So if you cut yourself by mistake, please just shout. Then we're going to bring, there's my brother with a green suit over there. He's trained to deal with such issues. So if you cut yourself, just look for a green suit there. Then he will help you. Don't be afraid. And then, in case of flames or fire, please don't just, run all over the place. We have an assembly point at the parking lot. And that is important because we need to know who is left behind. So in case of fire, assembly point, when you get there, we want to have a register to check who's left behind so that we know we are all safe and sound. I hope that is loud and clear. Any questions before we start the program? Are we all good? Are we all good? Now here we go. All the way from here. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Put your hands together. And welcome our MC, Lebohang, the funny chef.
He thinks this is a comedy show. I don't know. Thanks, Summary. Hello, everyone. How's everybody doing? Guys, we're scattered. We're here, we're there, but we're in the kitchen. And we're wearing green. Whoever did not follow theme, my name is Tholoana, aka the Funny Chef. If you know me as the Funny Chef, you know I am an actual chef. Take me seriously. Damn. And welcome to the Knorr Radio DJ Battle 2026. I think we've been doing this for 3 years, or rather, I've been doing this for 3 years, and it's been nothing but fun. We make everything Knorr here, if I'm making any sense. And while we are saying yes, snap it, post it, because if it's not online, did it really happen? Did it? Right. Can anybody tell me about the hashtags for today? Those who got a brief. Hashtag? What's the other hashtag? Make it Knorr. That's the hashtag that you should use. Do not forget to tag Knorr. Now, you guys ready? Quickly, to explain what's going on, it's 4 radio stations, 4 DJs, 4 pots, and 4 recipes given by the listeners. And the recipes that won are the recipes that our DJs are going to be making today. And the winning recipes got 5,000. If the winning recipe today wins, the winning recipe, English will leave you in the dark. They get 20,000 rand. And what could you do with 20,000 rand? I myself would try to go to Turkey, but I'm not there today. So I would like to call upon my DJs. I do not want to introduce them because they're always on radio. They are behind the mic. And today we get a chance to see them. So I want to keep things exciting. I'm going to start with Motsweding FM. Motsweding. Ke kopa DJ ya ko Motsweding. Tla kwano. I would like for you to introduce yourself and tell us about the recipe. You don't know the recipe? Fetch it. No, tell me about it. You know there is. Be professional.
Hi, Kindamukupi Molebazi from Motsweding FM. Recipe eke yapayang today ki beef stew. Bona, itlabe elim nati. Hey, arigela tele 6 gani. So I know funny chef. I assume it was 6 gani. I know funny chef. Sorry. Can I go and cook, please?
Yes. Good luck, Motsweding FM. Please give her a round of applause. Then I would like to call upon Umhlobo Wenene. Umhlobs ageko. Ukona ageko. Ukozi FM. Ukozi lena thing. Last year Ukozi won. The previous year Ukozi. And you are ready. Let's go.
Sanmonani Uzimdola from Ukozi FM ngenza idanki 12 to 3 the midday show. Kune feature esinayo called Ikishi Liga Mamkulu. That's why we're here in Knorr today. A recipe yethu is from our listener Nompumelelo Masigane. We are cooking ukari ungo we chicken. Recipe yethu pieces of chicken, peppers green and red, stock cubes, curry paste, garlic, raja, mild and spicy, potatoes, and obviously the no soup, brown onion, and minestrone. Yeah.
A round of applause. Thank you. Are minestrone. Minestrone, and she meant it. I heard it's minestrone. Did y'all know that? Nelera minestrone. I would like to call upon Lesedi FM. Lesedi, yeah. Hey.
Dumelang. Lebiso la ka ke Tholoana Moletsane, ke etsa itlhabolle 9 to 12 on Lesedi FM. Recipe ya rona ke ya Rethabile Mohata from Lady Brand. He is our winner, ke yena mohlodi wa rona. So kajeno re etsa recipe ya hae ya beef stew. Re tlo etsa setjhu se nco ka Knorr. Se sa lebaleheng, di ingredients tsa rona di sentse di le teng, brown onion, rena le tomato paste, rena le yes, Thank you, ke lebohile.
Thank you. That was just a wild guess. Nothing goes without an onion stew. Well, you tried. Le ready kamo. But wenene aso fitli. Wenene. Ke utlwile umhlobo but ne ke nyaka wenene eo. If not, then we move on to the program. It's time for the cooking. It's time for the chopping. It's going to be fierce. We've got judges, and I would like to introduce my judges. One of them is apparently our best friend, our bestie. I shall get there. By the show of hands, not even by the show of hands, we're free. When I call out your name, please come and say hi, and then we take it from there. Carrie, I'd like to call you last because you still have to do a... And I'm finding it very difficult to pronounce this surname. So let me do this. Is it kapsame?
Well, you heard of cup of soup, right?
Sure.
Well, yeah. Well, it's kupasami. Okay. Very close to cup of soup.
Okay. Can I just say cup of soup? Oh. Okay, kapasami, got you. All right, guys, we've got 4 judges. They are going to be judging according to, well, the recipe itself, how the use of Knorr was integrated within the dish, and also creativity and time. I think we do have a time frame. I'm not quite sure. I'll get back to you on that one. Right. First, I would like to welcome Miss Carrie Kapsame, who is the Knorr Marketing Manager Lead. Do you want to take it away, or you just want to stand with me for now?
I can say a little something.
How about you do that?
Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, so whether it's minestrone, minestrone, Knorr, no, whatever, however you say it, it's all about having fun today in the kitchen. As the funny chef mentioned, my name is Kerry Kupasamy. I'm the Knorr marketing manager, and really excited for our JJ's cook-off this afternoon. But all of this could not have been put together without our team. So I just want to give a quick shout out to the teams, the amazing teams behind the scenes that make me look good. Firstly, our radio stations, and then our agency partners. There's quite a few agency partners. Mullenrow, Naked Brain, we've got McCann, we've got Trigger, of course, and also the Unilever teams. I want to quickly do a shout out to Pumelo, the guy in green. We've got Sandy, who's next to him, and Tebe, next to my bestie. Well, guys, you guys always do amazing stuff, and I never get a chance to say thank you. So thank you today. And yeah, to our contestants out there today, well, Knorr's the #1 soup for good reason. It's actually that wingman that makes your dishes absolutely irresistible and flavorful. And yeah, today's all about having fun, collaborating. We're looking for creativity. We're looking to actually bring our communities together by coming together today at the different regions. And yeah, I'm one of the judges. So yeah, I'd love to see, I'm looking for the creativity since I'm a marketeer, right? So that's what I'm looking for in the dishes. So may the best team win.
Thank you, Cup of Soup Delight. Love you so much. Minestrone, okay? Right, guys, special shout out to Pimelo Pule, the Knorr Junior Brand Manager. Okay. Rabereka man Pimelo, damn it, man. Hello. Thanks. And then that is one of our judges, as well as Chef Sifiso Gwala from Unilever Foods. Chef? Okay. Sifiso. What a hot man. What a hot guy. What a wow. Ah, Sifiso. SP.
Yeah.
Last but not least, guys, there was a time where there was a post on Twitter that said, I need someone to teach me how to cook. This was DJ Zintle now. Hey, did I not try my luck? In hopes that in exchange, I would fit into her closet. It's going to take some time. Just give me time, I'll get there. But did she bring Ira bags for us? That's the question. Do you see it or do you not? Maybe let's go and purchase it. Please put your hands together for the one and only South African beloved music powerhouse, DJ Zintle. Did you want to come and say hi? No, Misha? And she must tell us what she's looking for. Okay. Let's give each other a hug.
I want to laugh at you because when I was that side, I thought it was a male that was hosting because of your voice. When I came this side and I saw it was you, I've been dying there because I was just like, your voice is so deep but so good. I love it. Yes, nice to see you. You look stunning. Hi, everybody. My name is DJ Zintle. And the big joke is that I cannot cook. And the joke's going to be on everyone because I'm going to learn how to cook and I'm going to prove everyone wrong, right? So I'm super excited for this partnership with Knorr. You are super close. Yeah. Are you sure? Okay, now got you. Me and you are close. So I'm super excited for this partnership, and I think it's a fun, light-hearted partnership that we are on about here. It's not about me knowing how to cook. It's about showing people the ease of using the product. And as a judge, I'm very judgmental, as you heard on the voice comment that I made. Very judgy. Not biased to Ukozi at all. Not biased at all. Yes, you know. But I'm looking forward to tasting everything, and I think we're going to have such a fun day today. I love to eat, and I'm looking forward to tasting the food, guys. It's going to be a tough one, but may the best team win. Okay, come back, sister voice.
So, guys, I don't even want to talk anymore. So, guys, it's about having fun, it's about creativity, and it's about elevating our super Knorr soups and making it Knorr. So, I think it's time to start. And DJs, are you ready? Oh, okay. Le ready? Motsweding. F. Le chapeau. Ladies and gentlemen, let the competition begin. One, two.
Judges, they started cooking. Honestly, I do not know because these guys.
Or you could say, please move away from the thing of the camera. But you said in front of my camera is a bit violent. What do you say? Violence, yeah.
Hey, you okay?
Yes, I am. Oh, wait, now I can't.
Yeah. We need to understand what's happening. Are we just gonna judge really quickly, and then we're gonna do the masterclass afterwards, or we're doing the masterclass and then we need them to focus on what we're doing while we're doing the masterclass.
Like, why? Why? No, don't be rude.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello, hello, hello. DJ. Thanks. I'm gonna get a sound guy. Can everybody please gather at the kitchen as DJ Zintle and Chef Sfiso are about to do a cooking demo. That is the first segment. So everybody to the kitchen, snap it, take a shot and post it on Instagram. Y'all can clap hands if y'all want to, you know. Thanks.
I don't know.
Make me look good.
I do not know.
You look who's talking. You're just looking for that compliment. You clever man.
Anyways, let's get into this.
What's going on?
I don't know if they can hear me.
Yes, they can.
Oh. That's a great thing, huh? Cool.
Yes.
Switch on this page. Alrighty. How do you switch it on? Yeah? So this one, let's use this one because it's next to Zintle. Okay, let's try that one.
What's the stove shop?
No, this one says this.
It's
why?
Funa was a zonke.
Alright. Alright, cool. Morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Good. So Zintle and I, well, basically Zintle is going to cook for you guys. I'm just going to guide her.
Hey.
I've already told her that if you can make a song, you can cook. There's no way you can make a song and not be able
And
to
I
cook.
can really make a good song, hey?
Exactly. So then we look forward to what you're going to prep for us today.
Okay.
Right, cool. So what's going to happen is very simple, guys. We're just going to prep a very simple, tasty chicken curry. Okay. Are we good with sound? Okay. So Z.
Yeah.
So let's treat this whole process like you're making a song, right?
Okay.
So when you create a song, you start with your base,
Sure.
right? So in this case, oil is going to be your base.
Okay.
So the purpose of the oil when you're cooking is to basically conduct heat.
Okay.
Right, so you're going to add your oil.
Sure.
Yeah. So you're going to wait for that to heat up before you add your onions, right? So you can unwrap your onions.
Cool. How hot does this oil have to get? Because I've seen people
Sorry.
do this.
Huh? No. I think your heat is at the right level. Sorry, I'm not hearing myself properly.
I can hear you.
Can you?
Yeah, you're audible. I can hear you. You're deaf. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. This is a bit weird, but it's like the sound is bouncing.
You're there?
All right, cool. So what's next? It's the onions, and then please unwrap your cream pepper. So what your cream pepper will do, basically, it's going to add flavor as well.
Yeah. You're
Yeah?
properly audible. Yeah.
So you're going to use a spatula to stir. We do not have a stirring spoon.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're going to use a spatula.
Sure.
And yeah, so far we're here. And so for you to taste if your oil is hot enough, you can just throw in one piece.
It's not hot at
not
all.
Not
Yeah.
there yet. So at this stage, we want your onions to be browned or caramelized, right? So what that does basically gives flavor to your dish, right?
Sure.
Because if it's just not brown enough or caramelized enough, it'll have that very unpleasant chemically taste to it. Because onion does have that liquid that I tend to forget the name of it, but it's very chemical. It's very unpleasant to
Sure,
to
yeah.
taste buds. Okay, so you're just gonna wait for this to get hot, and then add your onions, caramelize them, and then you add your peppers as well. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
cool. So Z, tell me,
Yeah.
what's that one dish that your mom preps that you like?
My mom,
Yeah.
it was beans.
Beans.
Yeah, till today, I love anything with beans. You know, we add like meat, not so meaty, like the bones.
Oh, matambo.
Yeah,
no, no,
amatambo.
no,
Yes, yes,
cheese.
yes. Yes, I love that for
Is it?
winter. Yes.
Is it?
I'm a tomato girl. Anything tomato. Tomato soup, tomato pasta, tomato this, tomato on its own, tomato on a man, anything. Just
On a
tomato.
man?
Oh,
sorry,
I wanted to see if you're
I thought
listening. I wanted to see if you're listening.
Come now, please don't murder my pot, eh?
Sorry. Yes.
All right. Okay, cool. So I think you can add your onions
Yeah.
now. Hey, tomato on the moon. Right.
At least you're listening.
Right, then you're gonna stir. Right.
Oh.
Now, do you hear that that
Yes.
sound, that sizzling sound? Right, so that basically gives you an indication that you have now started cooking.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So what's going to be next is basically your green peppers, but then for now we're just going to let that brown.
Okay. So what's the science
What's
with
the
cooking?
science
Like, why can't I cook? Why haven't I figured it out?
You know what, can I be honest with you?
Yeah.
There isn't really any science into cooking, right? But cooking is more about, I would say, energy.
Is it a feeling? Is it a gut feeling
Yes,
thing? Yeah.
it's more about energy, to tell you the honest truth. It's energy and passion.
Okay.
You know how everyone feels that their mom are the best cooks?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
because whenever your mom cooks, they cook with that good energy and love, right? So hence you'll always feel that your mom is the best cook.
Sure.
It's more about just your energy and passion. So with you, I'm pretty sure this is going to taste good because you look very relaxed,
Yeah.
very composed. I'm very impressed, to be honest with you. Not that I had other expectations.
Well, I am a DJ, so I'm very good.
Exactly. So this feels like a
Moving
booth,
my
right?
hands, yeah, yeah,
100%.
yeah.
Like I said, if you can make a song, you can make a good dish. Right.
Okay.
But yeah, there are times where there is science, isn't it? I will not lie to you.
Okay. Okay.
I'll make a very simple example,
Sure.
for instance. If you make an egg,
Yeah.
there's proteins on an egg, right?
Okay.
So there are many ways in which you can play around with an egg. You can use it as an emulsifier, you can use it as powder for your shake. Let's say you want to have that, get more protein. But then the science comes in when you want to understand what happens to the egg when you cook it. Do the protein chain, does it get denatured or does it stay intact?
Tick.
Now,
It's very scientific.
so yes, so that's the part where we will then apply science. But most of the time, keep it simple. Don't complicate it. And just do what you can do.
Okay. Maybe I'm still stuck in the olden ways of cooking that was like so complicated. I feel like maybe with brands like Knorr, it's become more simplified now.
100%. 100%. So I'll make a very simple example for you. You see how you would make soup from scratch, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
The same soup that we're going to be adding today, of which is minestrone. Right?
Yeah.
Why do we, okay. We need minestrone, guys. Sorry, we need minestrone. Jeez. All right. Anyways, we're going to use minestrone, right?
Hey, chefs usually use help. You have
Huh?
help. How come you don't have anyone helping you?
How come I
Chefs
don't
are
have
usually
Have
have people
assistants.
help. Yeah.
Well, I do have an assistant when I'm in my kitchen. At this moment, I don't know
You in
what's
my
happening.
kitchen.
So I'm in your kitchen. I should be asking you that question as to why we do not have assistant.
Okay, this has been
Tebe. Tebe.
Tebe.
Tebe. That's how I
Tebe
must
is
have- I
viewing
mean,
his
very nice.
content there. They can.
Tebe. Hi. Dude, you're so engaged. Can we have minestrone, please? Yeah,
Yes,
please. my love.
please.
So as I was busy explaining to you, so making minestrone soup from scratch might take you a good 3-4 hours, right?
Huh?
Yes, 100%.
Really?
But then with us, Knorr, what we have done basically is understand the science behind making minestrone. And with that being said, we were able to basically cut your cooking time into basically 7 minutes, because all you have to do when you're almost done with the cooking is add a tablespoon of Knorr soup, and that's it. And it only takes 7 minutes to cook.
That's the kind of cooking I'm into.
Convenient
Honestly,
cooking.
yes.
But you said you enjoy old way of cooking though.
Me?
Yeah, and that normally takes forever.
I don't.
Oh, okay, sorry. Say that you didn't.
I mean, I don't know how to cook anything, so I don't know if I can, put anything in a box and say I enjoy this or that. But if there's a convenience, because I love convenience and I love convenience. So there's a convenient way to do what I need to do. I'm in it. Okay, I feel like my onions are suffering
sure,
now.
go for it. Now you can add your green pepper. I'm actually, I'm glad that you can even see that you're ready to add your next ingredient.
I mean, onions are suffering is not the language, but you got me.
Now clearly you are paying attention to what you're doing, and that's
Yes.
a good thing. Right. So now we're just gonna let that brown a bit, right? Because we also want the green peppers to get rid of that liquid,
Okay.
right? And then from there you can add your ginger and garlic, and then add your curry powder. Do you have it with you? That's this is your ginger and garlic,
Okay.
and then this is your curry powder.
Okay, cool.
Cool. So once you've learned how to cook, if you don't mind me asking this question,
Yeah.
so what's that one dish that you will cook?
I'm
That
going to cook a butter chicken. I love a good butter chicken. A friend of mine in Cape Town makes it so well.
Is it?
I had Chef Pinky at my house the other day, and
Oh,
she
yes.
made it so well.
Is it?
I don't know. Do you think they can send her again to my house? She can
I
actually move in. You know, every time I need butter chicken,
I
let
can
me
have a
just-
chat. I can have a chat with her and find out if
Don't act
she'd
like
be
you
happy.
know Chef Pinky. Okay?
No, she's my colleague.
Don't act like you know Chef Pinky.
I do. She's a good friend of mine, but I'll chat to her. Right.
Yep.
So when you made butter chicken, which Knorr products were you using?
We were using the thing in the soup.
Minestrone.
Yes, because she was saying it's unconventional to use that in the butter chicken. But
100%.
let me tell you, it was amazing.
I think that's where the convenience come in.
Yeah,
Yeah, what you're looking for basically.
it was really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, cool. And how are we looking? You happy with
looking
what
good,
you've seen
yeah.
so far?
Yeah.
All right.
So what's your favorite dish to make?
What's my favorite dish to make?
And do you cook for your girlfriends or wife?
What?
Yes. Right? He said I must ask the question. Look at him nodding.
Who said oh, you must ask the cook? Oh. At the moment, I do have a girlfriend,
Yes.
and I do cook for her.
What do you cook for her?
She likes oxtail.
Oh, yes.
So I do normally cook oxtail for her using brown onion soup.
Why are you shaking your hips here?
So you good? Good.
Yes.
So yeah, I do cook for her, and I normally make her brown onion oxtail using brown
Oxtail.
onion.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
But my go-to dish would be intlogo. It's an intlogo.
I have mixed feelings about intlogo as a Zulu lady.
Why?
I've never eaten it. Nyasaba. I feel like I'm not meant to eat intlogo as a lady, but I don't know where I got that from because no one's ever said that to me.
Oh, but then is it not the cultural background though?
I don't know. I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I must give it a try. It's very nice.
I've heard, yeah.
I'm pretty sure your husband wouldn't mind.
Oh, he loves it.
He loves it.
He loves it.
Nice.
He loves soulful food.
Is it?
He loves like he loves anything soulful. Like the week does not end. He needs
Can he cook?
his soulful. No, he can cook pap.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
He
interesting.
can make himself pap when he's angry at me. Then I
Is
can
it?
make him anything. Yeah.
Nice.
You know the people that eat pap with eggs. He loves it. Yeah. He loves it. Yeah.
That's very interesting.
I
All right,
know.
cool. Z, let's add the ginger and garlic.
Okay.
Now, what ginger and garlic will do basically to add flavor.
So much flavor.
Do you know that ginger and garlic are spices?
No.
Yeah. So spices are basically either your vegetable of fruit substance, the leafy part of it.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
So now, as you can you smell that the aroma has
Smells so
changed a
good.
bit, right?
So much.
Now your garlic can be an antioxidant as well, so it can help you with inflammatory. You're not feeling well.
Yeah.
You can use your garlic. Oh, you know your stuff, Z.
No, but
Hell
I mean,
no.
we come from Kruger, remember
Oh,
ginger,
yes.
we were overdoing the
Yes.
ginger, yeah.
Perfect. All right. Cool. Now, should we add your Raja aroma
This?
curry powder, yibu?
Okay.
So tell me, if you were making a song
Yes.
at this stage, what level will this be recorded,
I
or
think
what
there's
stage
still
will this be recorded?
Definitely still the drums. Still laying
Drums.
the drums, yeah.
okay.
Normally we start with the drum, and then later I'll get like a DJ Lace or someone else that I work with to lay the melody. I think that the melody will be like,
Okay.
so we start with the drums, and
Yeah.
we get into the melody, and then we'll call the vocalist in to come and finish the song, and then we'll go back to like arranging and adding, you know, the final touch to
Yeah.
the song. So this will definitely be the drums, like
Okay.
the low sounds, like your bass, the drums, etc. You don't know how to use the stove, remember?
I know, but I can operate it. I just do not know how to light it up.
Okay, this is looking.
All right, Z, let's add your chicken. I need a phone, I need a phone, I need a phone. But it's fine. Your hands are clean. You've washed your hands. So you can
That's
grab
it.
one piece, throw it in.
Is it?
Go for it.
Feels very weird.
No.
One?
Yeah, no, all of it.
Why don't you just pour them in?
No,
You just
so
want me to do
I
the
do
hard
not
work?
want this liquid
Oh, is
to
it?
come with the can.
Everything makes a difference.
It does.
Every little part.
Like I said, it's like making a song. So everything that you add into your song will have an effect.
Okay, I
So
hear
you
you.
need to be very wary of what you add into
I
your
hear
pot.
you.
All right, so we want to get these browned. Almost stirred your pot. Please stir. My bad.
Sorry.
You're getting carried away.
Yeah, and making me do all the work.
A squeeze.
It's okay.
You said you're okay with it, so.
That's fine. Well, I'll see you at a gig and ask you to come up and DJ.
Sorry?
I'll see you at a gig and ask you to come up and DJ for me one day.
No, that's not fair.
It
Actually,
is.
let's
Oh
have
my
a
God,
trade-off.
it's
Let's have a trade-off. I'm teaching you how to cook. Are you going to teach me how to
No.
to DJ? What?
No, ooh, I keep spilling the food.
No, it's fine. I'll get that for you.
Sure.
Why aren't you going to help me cook? Learn how to DJ.
I feel like I just want girls to DJ now, no more men.
Why? That's very
I think
interesting.
we've seen enough male DJs for this
You think you've
lifetime.
had enough?
Yeah, let's just give it to the girls now.
Okay. I'm a girl dad, by the way, so
Oh,
yeah.
okay. I'll teach her to DJ then.
So you're gonna oh, look at you.
Very
That was very smooth.
Very smooth. Yeah, yeah. Not as smooth as my cooking, but smooth.
What is with that?
My cooking.
All right, cool.
Okay.
So
what
now,
are we adding?
add your tomato paste and add your tomatoes as well. All right, stir, stir, stir. So according to cooking, I would say parameters or following the right ways of cooking.
Sure.
So the product I'm about to add now, of which is the Knorr stock pot.
Uh-huh.
So what it will do basically to your cooking, it will basically give your cooking body, right? So extend whatever flavor that you have here,
And spread it out.
100%.
Okay. Because
So
I'm
if you can make a song, you can cook. See? You
Sure.
understand this very
There's
easily.
Chef Fix. Ask her. She tried to teach me how to cook a while ago.
Huh?
Chef Fix was trying to teach me how to cook.
Is that?
Yeah, it also gives like my schedules clashing with a lot of my cooking wishes.
But you can make time. I'm pretty sure you can make time.
Yeah.
Right, I feel like the thing is catching a little bit of the
Yeah, I was about to ask.
water. You don't want it to catch.
Yep.
Okay.
My adding.
So when you're stirring it, please
Yes.
hold your pot. Aye, hot.
It's very hot.
Use a
Sorry. Yes.
and then You stir it like this so that it doesn't fall.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. So it doesn't?
It doesn't move or
Okay.
fall because it ends up being a
Am I
hazard
still
in the
stirring?
top.
It's a lot of stirring.
You must stir so that
Yo, uyangithuma.
no, but then since the ingabambi ezantsi
Iyabamba
ngesikisi.
ezantsi.
Right? Stir.
Yo, chef.
By the way, this what you see at the bottom, that's all the flavor, right? So that's like the sugars from your tomato paste.
Sure.
Right. Cool,
Okay.
yeah, so now you can add your stock pot Z. Oh, so you forgot to add your curry leaves.
Am I adding it like that?
Yeah?
Just,
No, just pull it.
oh, I need to
You
ask.
don't want people to be eating sprigs.
I have to find out. You guys do strange things as cooks and chefs.
So, when I cook, yeah?
Yes.
One of the things that I do is I clean as I go.
That's the thing. That
Because
on me, I
then-
can't, yeah.
I'm able to see what I'm doing.
I hear you.
So today I'm your assistant chef. So let me do the cleaning for you.
The cleaning. I think we're doing well here, though.
All right. Take us through what's happening in your Podzi and tell us how do you feel right now? Are you
It's
happy,
looking good, yeah.
confident?
No, I'm confident. I just don't know about this much stirring.
I think it's basically about that. So I'll follow my potato.
Oh, thank Jesus. But it's looking good. I'm confident. Is that
But
fine?
you-
Not too much? It's good?
Should I drop?
I
Should I
think
lower it a bit?
down a little bit, yeah. It's stressing me out.
Happy?
Yeah.
That's good. But you need to constantly check what's happening in your pot.
Okay, yeah.
Alrighty.
Are you gonna eat this, Camilo? Ha, why are you laughing?
You can't be laughing.
You have to eat it. No? It's gonna be your lunch, ne? You have to trust me. He's engaged, he's scared of eating other people's food in case she...
Dude, after this, Zintle is going to be a master chef, right?
Yeah, I mean, look how young he is, and he's a chef.
Oh, so cute. Inspired.
Very good chef.
Yeah?
Yeah. And he wants to cook for Cairo. You think I should be worried?
Does he have cows?
To cook or to...
No,
Because that's the only
but
thing
that's where
we
it
need
starts.
to
So,
Look at mommy.
ubuhle bendoda
Look
iinkomo
at
zayo.
mommy. She's...
Ubuhle bendoda iinkomo zayo. So,
He's so handsome. Look at him. Yeah, this is good.
looks good, no?
Yeah, it smells good also.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that. So, if it was the song, how far the song would be now?
No, it would be like, I feel like the vocalist is the main ingredient in a song, which would be the Knorr.
Okay.
But I feel like here we've done the melody, we've done everything. We're just waiting for that, you know?
All right. So, with that being said, let's prepare the melody. Oh no, sorry, before we prepare the melody, let's add the potatoes.
The
My bad, my
burrito.
bad.
You're so scared of getting first.
Right.
Ah, is the water intentional?
Nah, no, this is fine. Yeah, we need the water a bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, your pot is small, so we can't add everything.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I feel like, okay, that is not enough potato.
Yeah?
Very cool. Okay. What do you want staring at?
No.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it.
How are you doing it? Yeah, sorry, man.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I saw you. OCD. Okay.
Cool. I'm happy now. It looks good. It does, no? Now, by the time you're done here, I do not want to hear Zinhle saying that she can't cook.
I can't see, but
Exactly. Look at this.
you see, it's happening. Should be
It
good.
does.
Yeah.
I need a cup. Do we have a cup somewhere here?
There's a cup that you took now there.
Oh no, this is a jug, so it's too deep. Oh, you know what we can do? So another thing is you have to improvise in the kitchen. Now Z,
Yes.
so far you've used our Knorr products, right?
Yeah.
And please get me water, a little bit of water.
Sure.
You've used our Knorr products, and how many dishes have you seen these products being used in? 2, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Two.
yeah.
Okay.
How much water do you need?
That's fine, man.
Sure. Where are you going with this?
No. So what I want you to understand is that how many variants do you know, by the way, of ours? How many variants? How many of our Knorr variants are you familiar with? Yeah.
I don't know if I know all of them by name, but I know there's
Okay.
quite a few, yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
perfect.
This is just the brown soup.
And to your understanding, you know them for thickening and adding flavor.
Yes, yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Do you know that you can basically make fried chicken? Well, not really fried chicken,
Really?
but coated chicken in an air fryer using a soup powder.
How?
It's very
Just
simple.
like that?
No, not really. So what you would do, you would have your soup powder, right?
Yeah.
Have it as a coating. So you either dunk the chicken in an egg, a beaten egg,
Sure, I'm with you.
or in milk.
Oh, and then use it like a coating
Exactly,
powder.
100%.
That
Right.
must be good.
Yeah, so you can try it out. Give it a try. Or if you want to make pasta, a creamy dish. Sorry, you should be doing this. I don't know why I'm not doing it. I'm getting carried away. This is not
The assistant is fine.
skis. So if you want to do, let's say, like a creamy dish, you can use cream of mushroom and use it as your starch. Add a bit of butter, and then add your milk or you add your cream, and that's it. So you don't have to use it for thickening only. You can use it for other purposes.
That's fine. When we cook the next meal together, you'll
Sorry?
make sure. When we
Yeah.
cook the next meal together, you'll make sure. You think we should?
How's it looking? Are you happy?
Yeah, it smells so good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, this is not how I thought I'd be spending my Friday, but I'm not complaining.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Do you want to stir a bit harder?
You are quite the stirrer.
I am.
Is it like, what's the science with that?
It's just that, so if you stir like this, you're basically distributing all the flavor and getting everything else well, I don't want to use
The word,
emulsified.
like, but
Everything
just like,
put together.
Yeah, I'm with you.
So, I think that's my only thing. Right. So yeah, as I was explaining to you, you don't have to just use our Knorr soup powders for thickening only. You can use them for coating, you can use them for your cream pasta dishes.
Sure.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of other things you can use it for. Right. Have you got any questions? Something else that you
Like
would
which social media or TikTok myth have you seen about cooking that was completely ridiculous to you?
Someone actually said that our Knorr soups, they cause hypertension. For me, that was crazy.
That's not a myth, that's just ridiculousness.
I don't know, like, because one of the things that would cause hypertension, it's actually too much consumption of sodium chloride, of which it could come in a form of salt. So we really do not have that much salt. in our soup.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So when someone said that our soup can cause hypertension, I was like, that's absurd. So that's one of the biggest myths, but there are other ones of which I don't really pay attention to, but I pay to the ones that have to do with my Knorr brand.
Okay, cool.
Yeah?
Love it.
Are you going to be confident enough to prep this for your daughter?
For Cairo?
Yeah.
Sure. I'm gonna have to hit a few dishes for myself first before.
Why do I feel
But
like...
I'll tell you, when me and Chef Pinky cooked that butter chicken, my husband was so impressed.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I've been thinking I should have recorded it thoroughly so I can do it again.
Yeah.
But it was a simple thing to make.
Yeah, did you not take down the recipe while you guys were busy cooking?
I mean, we were recording, so I just need to,
Yeah.
And I think that's the thing about me with cooking. I overthink it. I'm just thinking, because I think with DJing, I understand exactly what's supposed to happen when, and then I know how to react when, things change. I know how to.
Yeah.
But with cooking, I'm just like, I actually don't know what could go wrong, or
It's like I said, it's the same as DJing. You need to pay attention. You need to know when to add the next song or follow the next song because of the beat. One, two,
time,
three. Yeah. So as long as you pay attention and you understand that, okay, this, if you add this ingredient, it complements the other ingredient, which it leads you to the next step of your cooking. So,
Sister, are you ready to eat? It smells good.
Fancy. Looks good.
It looks really good.
And this is all Zinhle, by the way.
All made. Yes. You should be.
Z, I want to share something with you.
Share something with me.
So this is one of the craziest insights that we got from our consumers.
Sure,
So
yeah.
at Knorr, we design our products based on how our consumers want it.
Yeah.
We listen to our consumers.
Sure.
The consumers are the bosses, right? So this one time, this consumer said to me, how they measure the quality of your soup is based on the consistency that they get after adding it in the stew, right? So in KZN, there's a river called Umgeni that flows from Howick to Devon.
Okay.
And what she said is, if you add your soup on top of a rice and it seeps through the rice,
Yes.
it has Umgeni effect, meaning it's poor quality consistency.
Yes, I get that.
And then ours, we do not have that.
Okay,
So
you can-
it sits on the rice.
Yes.
So we do not have the Umgeni effect.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have like a thick
100%.
and creamy, like.
100%.
Yes.
So that's one of the things that makes us differ from our consumers. Not consumers, competitors, by the
Yes,
way.
yes, 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 yes.
And that's one of the reasons why our consumers love us so much. Okay. Are you happy with that paste? Do you
Yeah.
want to add more? You want more? Okay, where's your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me know when you're happy with the consistency.
Oh, so now I'm thinking about the
Umgeni
river.
effect.
I think this is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks very yummy.
It looks so good. It smells good.
It does. It does. All right, how much time do we have?
Are you hungry?
I am, Z. I haven't
Too
had
bad
breakfast.
because you're not in this pot.
Oh, why?
Because I've got people to feed.
So this is the thank you I get from teaching you how to
For being
make.
an assistant, yes.
Oh, wow.
Maybe the soup.
Okay, can I take some for my daughter?
How old is the daughter? Because you are using her a lot. You are old is she?
She's 9.
Do you think
She's
she
turning 9.
does she like to cook?
Oh, yes, she does. She likes
Oh,
baking
that's so
more than
nice.
cooking, basically.
Oh, can you
Yeah, she-
bake?
I can, but I don't like flour.
Oh, I hear you.
Yeah.
To eat or to make.
To work with.
Look at that.
Okay, you happy with that?
Yeah.
Cool. Alrighty. Do you not want to stir? There you go.
I'm going to be a professional stirrer by the time I leave your kitchen. Like, I'll know how to do
I'm
this.
very impressed with you, eh?
I'm going to help at home. I'm going to help stir at home. That was a good one. Surely. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, like I said, you're a first learner. Yeah, so while we patiently wait for you,
So we're going to
tasty-
taste everyone's food.
Whoever is lucky and close by will get the opportunity to taste your curry. So it's basically first come, first serve.
Oh, how many dishes is it for? Wow, figs. Oh my God.
Anyways, are you looking forward to charging the radio stations?
I love to eat, so I'm looking forward to judging, yes.
Okay.
I love that the listeners are the ones that submitted the recipe.
Yeah, I think
That is super cool.
it's a nice touch. Like I said, we listen to our consumers. We let our consumers show
I
us
hear
that
you though
direction
on
they
that.
need
I
to
feel like
take.
a lot of the stuff that I'm also doing now very consumer centric, like
Yeah.
responding to what the customer wants, because essentially that's who you're selling to.
100%.
So there's no point designing product that suits you as someone who's selling if they don't work for the customer. So I hear you on that. Completely, and I think it has changed.
Should we get you a desk at Unilever?
No, I'm okay. I sell earrings for a living.
Wow, that is very convincing. I was sold.
Yeah,
Okay.
I do a lot of customer-driven activations, especially through my social media. And I think that, did you see the feedback about my cooking online? Have you seen the thing about me? There's a big thing about how I can't cook online. Cairo didn't make it better when she spoke about it on radio twice. Not once, twice. So when Knorr announced that I was the ambassador for this campaign, the feedback was like, sister. Yes, and also there's a clip of me saying, I'm full of because I guess I was just like, because I can't cook, it's a sore point. But this has been fun to just like get myself into a world that I do not understand and learn new things.
Doing very well, by the way.
But when we cooked with Chef Pinky, Cairo helped a lot, and she seemed to have a keen interest in it too.
Yes.
So maybe I should push her in the right direction.
No, I have more of
Do
these
it with her
sessions.
as a fun session.
100%. Do more of these sessions, Z.
Yes, I will.
But then again, like I said, you do have it in you. Like, I haven't done anything yet. Like, I didn't do
Told me
anything.
everything, but thank you.
Exactly. No, but then it's all you.
Oh, see that,
It looks very yummy.
right?
Yeah. Okay, should we add you? Because now we don't want your chicken to start breaking. The potatoes look good. So should we add your Knorr soup?
Sure.
I can add it for you and then you can stir.
Cool. Okay.
Scrape your bowl.
Get all of it in.
Hayi-ke. Ziyo ngathi akumnandi lokudla kube nenkinga ngawo.
Right, and look at that. That is not definitely. This is not sipping through my rice.
No.
This is
It
on
doesn't
the
have
rice.
any effect, eh?
Right.
Right, so let's give it a good 7 to 10 minutes and it should be ready and we're going to taste.
Oh, I can't wait. Let me move my teeth for that. Okay.
So which radio station do you normally listen to?
So, fun fact, I grew up in KwaZulu Natal, and we obviously were listening to Kozi FM.
Oh, yeah.
But it wasn't until I moved to Joburg that I realized that there were other stations. I know.
Like which one did you discover?
I mean, obviously YFM, like Metro FM, and everyone else really, like Wala Kwala, everything. I literally thought it was just Kozi FM and that's it.
So what do you listen to at the moment?
At the moment, I'm listening to. I honestly just generally listen to Kozi FM.
Okay.
It's just my vibe. I'm that Zulu girl.
There was Uksina, but
Not really. Uksina is for girls, guys. That's what I'm just listening.
oh well, you said you're a Zulu girl, so anyone.
I am, but like
Also
to a
true.
certain level,
Oh, okay. That's good.
to a
Understand
convenient
yourself.
level
Yeah.
for me, yeah. So I love to listen to Kozi FM and Dudu Kozi says, "Where's Zindle?" I love it.
How's your pot looking? Shame is also now say I can't cook this no more.
I Chef Koza Ikamalanga.
That looks nice.
It does.
Do you not want to taste a bit?
Can you smell it? He can taste it.
Should we taste?
Huh?
Come on. What basically is?
Yeah? Want the full thing? Ha, ha, ha.
I'm joking.
I was like, what do you mean?
Taste.
I will. Hold on. Okay. time for the truth.
Happy?
You're good at your job.
Oh, thank you, Z. It's like how you good at your job.
No, I'm excellent at my job.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey now.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, it is, né?
Yeah.
It is very good. All right, almost done. And yeah, so any closing sentiments to your experience cooking your first tasty Devon curry? No, not Devon curry, sorry. Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Yeah.
One step at a time, you know? It's a learning process. I love to learn. And it's been fun. And I think there's going to be more of these activations that we're going to do, which are super fun.
Yeah.
But I'm happy to learn. I'm really happy to learn. I love to learn. Love to challenge myself a little bit.
Yeah.
This has been good. Very stressful. You wouldn't tell. But I just think cooking stresses me generally. But this has been fun, yeah.
Oh, but you're natural at it. I will not lie
Thank
to
you.
you.
Yeah.
You're doing very well. And if ever you need any cooking tips and whatnot, reach out to me. I'm always available
For
to
tips
provide
and
you with any cooking tips. Okay.
yes, thank you, chef.
Alrighty. I think that's it.
This is it.
Yeah.
No one tastes our food, but we taste everyone's food.
Well, they can taste after we've tasted their food. Alright. Ooh. Looks very yummy.
That's good.
Oh, you good? Yeah. Yeah, we're done.
We are done, delicious.
Ah, it's a curry and salad.
Where are we going to get rice from? Because we didn't make rice.
We're not organized. There's
Going to plan my meal. Huh?
it's a curry and salad.
Cairo. She's very judgmental though.
I did get a sense of that.
No, she is. But also very strict. Yeah, yeah. I wonder if we were cooking with her now. Now what's this to say about safety? Yeah, yeah. Very hectic about safety. She's an old young lady.
So how old is she then?
She's 10. But very tall and like also
She's a year older than my daughter.
like she's 10 going on 100.
I'm tired of hearing my voice now. Can you-
I'm sure you can switch off your. You couldn't hear it, now you're hearing it, now you. Kanti ufunani?
singaboni khona baba ilwa nabalwa nathi empini yemimoya lapho singaboni khona baba ilwa nabalwa nathi empini yemimoya lapho singaboni khona baba ilwa nabalwa nathi empini yemimoya lapho singaboni khona baba ilwa empini yemimoya lapho singaboni khona baba ilwa empini yemimoya Ngikusalele ngoku kungabanjani ke kungabanjani kungabanjani ke kungabanjani nomuthi nomunye kodwa ngifuna eduze ungamelapha anginankinga nawe nomuthi nomunye kodwa ngifuna eduze ungamelapha anginankinga nawe phela sazane kangcono awushela phela shela phela sazane kangcono awushela phela ngifuna eduze
I am deep, I am at the bar.
Izolondela le ndingabonanga ndingacinganga ngoba phela nakungidla isono ngoku andinalukhono manje ngiyalimala ndisemuva nokhila phela izolondela le ndingabonanga ndingacinganga ngoba phela nakungidla isono ngoku andinalukhono manje ngiyalimala ndisemuva nokhila lapho ungababoni bakhalaza bayakho bazokudida ingqondo ungababoni bakhalaza bayakho bakhona bona ungababoni bakhalaza bayakho bazokudida ingqondo ungababoni bakhalaza bayakho that's why mina ngila azebulu mina ngoba phela akukho ezokwenzeka mina ngila vuka badala iphupho selila ama bapretendela sina sesovuka sina amaphanga that's why mina ngila azebulu mina ngoba phela akukho ezokwenzeka mina ngila vuka badala iphupho selila ama bapretendela sina sesovuka sina amaphanga Basketball, nakuka, basketball, natandaza, basketball. Ay basketball, nakuka, basketball, natandaza, basketball. Ay basketball, Ndilale ndingabonanga ndingacinganga ngoba phela nakungilisono ngoku andinalukhono manje ngiyalimala ndisemuva nokhila
Soko
yona kuyona indlela yokuphila sisabana kometa sekutiba impilo yasethuku yona bathi nawo amameta sisabana kometa oh angiswa mama ndiyazi ingane zama bros on fleek zoyifika zoyishiya la ay luto 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 wena ngithande ngeluto I like gin and miso luto 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 wena ngithande ngeluto I like gin and miso ay luto 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 wena ngithande ngeluto I like gin and miso luto 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 wena ngithande ngeluto I like gin and miso Masetiba Tundani kalilena yona kuyona indlela yokuphila sisabana kometa oh angiswa mama ndiyazi ingane zama bros on fleek zoyifika zoyishiya la I sindwalu kuthanda strati mengithanda nami awuphile nami sandwalu kuthanda strati mengithanda nami uphile nami sandwalu kuthanda strati mengithanda nami uphile nami Masetiba Tundani kalilena yona kuyona indlela yokuphila sisabana kometa oh ay luto 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 wena ngithande ngeluto I like gin and miso luto 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 wena ngithande ngeluto I like gin and miso ay luto 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 wena ngithande ngeluto I like gin and miso luto 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 luto
Ladies, sorry. Sound guy. Mr. Sound guy. Please. And the sound guy. Dumela. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is just to announce that lunch is ready and it's... You disturbed my performance, sir. Thanks. Right. Lunch is served over there. It's a buffet. Please serve yourself. And immediately after that, we go straight into judging. I hope you guys are having a good time and happy lunch.
ngizothandaza uphoyisa unginike impilo ngoba kulana sempini cela imali ngikeze ngifanele ingane ngeni inhlungu siphele jabulisa umndeni wami ngemihla
sebamane bazongisondela ukuthi uyawuphendula umkhuleko ngengasho nkosi ngoba ngiphume emdeni yodelelekile ayibanghlekisa incane namhlaba khona imali eningi ngakithi
Oh. Yebo.
One, two, 1, 2. Yeah, Grady. He was to an Koa.
So, prefer it.
Both. I can mix.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you Hey. Hey, that's a guy. Hey. She will use it because mine is. Yes, yes. Thank you. Oh, you're just standing here.
I don't know where.
Where are we standing? All right. Oh. All right. Okay. Right. Oh, we're looking at this camera.
We're not for sure.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, that one. Okay. Thank you. Which station is this? Which station is this? Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, you're gonna interview me?
I'm not saying that I don't interview me.
Oh, I thought.
No, if you interview me, then it's fine. I can do my thing.
Oh, guys, no, they didn't give us a brief. I thought you are interviewing me. I think we're gonna be Papa Romosha. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are we talking about?
I'm saying, I said you don't have to.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Sanbonani Dumelang Kalibiso Kamare, and who am I with?
This is John J. I'm a lifestyle blogger and a foodie.
And the food.
Yeah.
So did you eat?
Yeah.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What are we doing? Of course, I never miss a theme.
Sure. Okay. Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Dumelang Sanbonani Kalibiso Samare, and I'm with
This is John J. I'm a lifestyle blogger and a foodie.
a food.
Yep.
So which means like if he invented today.
It was so relevant
Like
for me.
you should be like no.
When I saw that email, I'm like, yeah, they thought of me.
So my brother, tell me, how did you find the event today?
Today's event was very experimental, exciting. Met up with you old friends from tertiary school.
That too.
And I also made some new friends. And of course, I tasted some good, delicious cooked meals.
You know, growing up, we used to do the soup rereki minestrone.
Eish.
It was my first time today.
Eish.
Good about the minestrone. Did you know about that?
Hey, my brother, we grew up in the house where we call products the same thing in the house. So Lena today I was like, yo, I'm one of those people who have been mispronouncing this product.
That minestrone. And how do you use the product? Do you have any creative ways to use the?
To cook, also when I braai, I use some spices and some soup to create a marinade. Sometimes when I bake, we put some little bit of spice, paprika, yeah.
And then, when last did you have the soup?
Yesterday, actually. Yesterday we were having some chicken soup. So it was, I forgot the name. It was the onion one. It was rich oxtail, and I forgot the third one with chicken. So one thing I like about this product, when you have shabu you can just put it there and then how the sauce. The whole family.
You can feed 10 people.
And
And what's your favorite soup?
the onion soup and rich oxtail, because my mom used to love those ones. I remember even in childhood, ka winter, when we didn't have real food, she would just take bread and then boil some oxtail soup and onion soup there, and then born a proper meal.
And lastly, now that it's winter,
Yeah.
how many soup did you buy?
Hey.
How many soup do you like? On I'll take I know so shabby.
Akazana mo pantry nyaka my brother Bulane. You will think I'm a chef.
Ne?
Food is spicy, food is sopo. Because he believe in a lot of body special.
Bona.
5-4, 20
Yes.
rand, 5-4, 25 rand. Well, I tell you that.
Ne?
So this is not, I feel like I can't even, I lost count.
And like I want even like our outfit, you want to take in there.
Bona.
You love the brand.
But I had to match, man.
It's
I
a
had to match.
casino lento.
Pity I didn't have anything yellow, but I would have matched some yellow, some green yellow.
Ah,
or
no,
what-
my brother, next
because
time.
I understand the brand.
Ne?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for
No,
your time,
thank
my
you so
brother.
much, my brother. I hope
Much
you also
appreciated.
enjoyed it.
No, I did
What
enjoy
was
it.
your favorite meal?
My favorite meal today,
Yeah, so far.
it was the beef stew.
The beef stew.
The beef stew.
Okay. All right. No, thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much,
for your time,
brother.
man. Awesome.
Thank you. Poo, 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 poo.
Right.
Are you
Gone.
sure?
Gone.
You should have done this before we ate.
Ne? So, Nezo's counter. Or is it still rolling or? Okay, okay, I like that, no? Oh, I like it.
Sharp.
Oh, sharp. Get ready now.
Masikhuluma nesiZulu,
Any.
Sotho, English.
I can mix. Dumelang again. Kalibito, oh, counter. Dumelang again, Sanbonani, Molweni, Samari again. So, Renali Mammo.
Kinalise, Madichane.
Lisa Marijan like Zulu Pedi.
Zulu married to a Sotho.
Oh, so you know both.
Eh.
So which means Singashai Zulu Nesotho
Eh,
Nesingisi.
re ka di kopanya kaofela.
Kaofela tsona.
E jwalo ntate.
Rainbow Nation.
E jwalo
In the
ntate.
building.
E jwalo.
So my sister,
Yes.
ngicela ukubuza ukuthi namhlanje uzizwa njani ngale event lena namhlanje? How was the event?
It's been amazing. I think the perfect way to end the week. We've got so many stews brewing in the kitchen. I saw a chicken stew, I saw beef stews, and I'm just ready to taste them all. And all of them smell really good.
And I don't know if I should ask this. Who do you think will win?
Will win. Who's gonna take the
Who's gonna
the
take
cup?
the cup?
Ke nahana ke motsweding, hey. Good spices
Hey.
ba itse ke minestrone.
What's that
Ke
again?
bone ekare ba berekisitsa sona.
I was telling someone all my life I thought ki minestrone.
No, I say minestrone.
Ki mine
It's Italian. Minestrone.
minestrone.
Yes.
Minestrone.
Yeah.
Bantu basemakhaya nizula ngithi ngathi minestrone,
No,
minestrone.
minestrone.
Okay.
Eh.
And then what's your favorite of all the soups?
White onion. It makes everything so rich and creamy. I love it. I use it for sauces and for gravy. It's my favorite.
So normally ihamba ngani like enza ukuthi mhlambe mawuthi we mixe ngalena we thanda ukuyimixa ngani?
Mouse of sebenzisa like onions, garlic, and then aromat, and then the white onion. You can't go wrong. You can use it with chicken. I specifically love it with chicken, but it works with beef as well.
And to someone ongakaze a taste this amazing soup, like because manje is winter,
Yes.
but sebusika,
Yes, sepsiga, yeah.
and manje it's time for amasopa ngithi manje.
100%.
So ungabakhuthaza ukuthi nemakhaya ukuthi na Knorr.
Yes, ithenge once. And the nice thing is, Knorr iyathengisa nama-packet loose.
Serious?
So awudingi ukuthenga i-whole box. So thenga loose, bese uyayizama once, then you are sold. So literally, ungakhona ukuyithenga iso shop.
Yes.
And you can use this packet more than once even, because ayudingi into too much, ne? So it's very, very intense with flavor. So you can use one packet for different things, and after that you won't go back.
And right, because Tina growing up,
Yeah.
like this packet, the whole family of 10.
Exactly.
The whole family of 10.
Bazodla lapho. Exactly.
Singaba yini ngaphandle kwakho Knorr?
No, uyabona iyasiza in sales economy. So we must make sure we maximize where we can.
Any last words before saying?
Last words. Listen, Knorr does the most. Whether kidi gravy, kidi soup powder, kidi cooking sauces. Like Mina, I can't use any other products.
Yes.
Knorr. So I would say, if you are in doubt of your cooking skills, get Knorr, and you'll be sorted. You'll make it Knorr.
You'll make it? No. Nizwile Makaya siyabonga from Knorrox. No. Give from Knorr. No. So is it silent or kumele ngithi k?
Knorr.
Knorr.
Yes.
Knorr.
Knorr.
No.
Knorr.
Knorr. Knorr. Nizwile siyabonga apha emakhaya. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, 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 hello. This is just an update. The tasting has already begun, and I am at Musweding, and I think they've. Hey. How do you feel about, and what do you think?
The flavor, funny chef.
I'll be next. What about the flavor?
It's great. I'm telling you.
So are you confident?
I'm confident. I can taste minestrone. Nice. Yeah. So it's no. Yeah.
Are you hoping for the best, Joe?
I'm honestly hoping for the best from the judges.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Who have I not? Who's here? Kupa. Sikhuluma isiZulu sisi wami unjani? Ngiyaphila. Okay sichaza. Andikwazi ukuthetha kodwa ngizozama. Are you confident about?
I'm happy with what I did. Okay. I'm happy. Yeah, that's
entirely. I want to taste. Do you think you're going to take it?
Yes. I feel like if I say no, I'm going to say the wrong thing. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
I think it tastes nice too. Good luck. Rati, do you want to tell me who you were cooking for today?
Lesedi FM.
Who?
Lesedi FM.
Are you confident in what you guys did? Why?
I'm just confident.
You're just confident in the food, in the just the food, or in yourself?
In myself and.
Good luck. Rati to the world. Judges, have you guys tasted all four? Have you guys tasted all 4 dishes? Are you guys deliberating, or do you guys have a winner? Do you have a winner? Do you have an? Oh, you're so good.
We don't have to share everything.
What? Do we have a winner or not?
Okay, we actually do have a winner. It was really difficult, I have to tell you. Each one was special in their own way. Some a bit too special.
Wow.
Yeah, even for me. But I think I'm going to let our chef Sofiso, who's our professional in the kitchen, do the honors of announcing the winner.
Take it away, chef.
I don't know why she's moving the blame to me, but anyways, what I can say, guys, the food was nice. Excuse me. We enjoyed every plate that we tasted, and I like how you guys used our products across all, your cooking. However, after tasting with Zinhle around and becoming a master in the kitchen, master of taste and flavor. So we have decided, and this is purely based on our experience and our taste buds. The winner for this year is Motswading.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. Radio 2026 for Knorr is Motswading FM. They've been waiting all their lives. I'm not sure that they know that the 20,000 is not for them. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
Wow. No, I had to win this one. Yo, I cooked this stew 3 times. I had 3 different people who tasted before we came here. So, well, I had hope. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Motswading FM!
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining. That marks the end of the cook-off. I hope everybody had fun and enjoy with Knorr. Bye-bye.